If you continue to cancel your dental appointment because you are afraid of the dentist, I need you to hear this. In my practice, we use Solea laser, and with the Solea laser, the experience is completely different. So you're gonna avoid needles, we're gonna avoid the drilling, and we are going to make that quick and efficient for you so you feel relaxed and comfortable. One of the most common reasons that people avoid going to the dentist is the sound of the drill, but we completely got rid of it because with the Solea laser, we don't have that buzzing sound and the experience is great. Patients come in, they get in the chair. We don't have to get them numb most of the time. And we're quick and efficient. I take care of them, quick appointment. People love it. So I had this patient that hasn't been to the dentist in like 10 years, and he came to my office and he was very, very nervous, a lot of anxiety, and also he was very concerned. And the patient was very satisfied at the end because we were able to utilize the technology with the Solea laser. The appointments were shorter. He has to come um, fewer times, and he said, I could not imagine how is this possible. My experience is completely different. I thought that I will have to be in the dentist, like for 3 months trying to take care of my problems. And this was done in like two appointments. He was like, I cannot believe this. He was very satisfied and no problems at all. So you have been Googling sedation dentistry. How about if you don't need it at all? So with the Solea laser, we can most likely use it and you don't have to be sedated because first of all, we don't have to get you numb most of the time. Second of all, we're not going to be listening to the buzzing sound of the drill, and it's super quick and efficient. So just go ahead and look for a Solea provider and make your appointment. So without shots, drills, and numbness to wear off, the whole dental experience is completely different. With the Solea laser, you come into our office and let's say that you need a filling, for example, one of the most common procedures that we do in dentistry. And everybody's afraid of the needle and everybody doesn't like to hear the drill sound. With the Solea laser, none of that's happening. The appointment is quick, is efficient, and everybody's happy. This message is for the person that has been scared to go to the dentist for their whole life. And let me tell you, you don't have to wait any longer because with the use of Solea laser in our office, we are able to make your appointment fast and efficient. We're going to avoid the step where we have to get you numb. You're going to feel no drilling. Therefore, there is going to be no vibrations, no heat, and the anxiety reduces. And patients that have been exposed to the technology, they love it, so you will love it too. The most common things patients say when the appointment is over is like, wait, that's it? Yeah, that's it. Because with the Solea laser, the appointment is incredibly fast. It's very quick and efficient, and patients love it. They feel great. They don't feel like drooling, they don't feel heavy face. They can go home and eat anything, and it's really an amazing feeling. A lot of patients aren't afraid of the dentist, but they are afraid of like bad dental experience that they had when they were growing up. And they kind of like say, I don't want to go to the dentist anymore. That's not good. So in our office, we provide to our patients many choices where they can relax. It could be choices from like laughing gas, anxiolysis. We can provide stressing balls, pillows, blankets, an environment that make feel relaxed. But one thing that I introduced to my office is the Solea laser, because with the Solea laser, things are faster, are effective, and they're very safe. And also helps to reduce the anxiety for most of these patients.